Welcome, listeners, to a brand new episode of Technology Questions Answered, Episode 6, and it's all about Vampire Load, the electrical black hole. This is your host, Steve Smith, founder of Z-Axis Productions and Digital Technologies Consultant. So let's talk about this black hole in our homes and offices. What is it? Let's start with the most common problem when it comes to our computers and offices. We have plenty of devices like scanners, printers, powered USB hubs, desk lights, computer speakers, and many more electronics that we use on a daily basis in our homes and work offices. Some leave personal and commercial computers on all day, sometimes never shutting them down. This is great for doing backups, but causing most of our electrical bills to skyrocket because of the usage of power from our auxiliary devices. Scanners, printers, USB hubs, and other modern devices continuously draw electricity, making us pay more money than we really have to. There are several ways of dealing with this problem, saving you money. Lots of it. And isn't that what we all really want? More money? The easiest way to save money in our workspace is to turn off the computers when they're not being used. And if you use a UPS by ABC called the backup UPS ES750, which I use myself on my computers, it will allow you to turn off any device like scanners, printers, powered USB hubs when the computer shuts down, and does this by having a master plug position capable of detecting if your computer is on or off by the power load demand. Some of you may be wondering, well, why should I buy such a device? I can use a search bar and turn off my devices manually. My suggestion is to use an APC power saving surge arrest bar, also available in stores. These two devices will save you money by turning off devices automatically, just in case you forget, and the UPS will prevent damage to your computer from blackouts and power surges. I bought the ABC back UPS ES750, and in the space of 2 years, it has paid back every cent I put into it, making it a great investment on protecting our devices and ultimately saving me money on my electrical bill. Now, I understand that many businesses and people have backup schemes and are meticulous when it comes to backups. My two suggestions, the APC Backups ES750 and the APC Power Saving Surge Arrest, are both Wake Online friendly. For you businesses, that means you simply need to tell your IT departments or computer administrator to have the server power the computers remotely to make backups and have them turned off automatically after the backup is finished. For you, the home and personal business owner, use the option in your computer's BIOS called the RTC alarm. This allows you to power your computer at set times so that the backup software may make backups of your data. Make sure to power your computer up to 10 to 15 minutes before backup commences to ensure the computer has fully loaded. Then, if possible, have the backup software turn off the computer, or have the backup software start during the night just before business hours so that the computer will be already powered for your workday. So just how money did I save a year from simply changing to this power scheme and backup method? That's easy. I saved roughly $50 a year per computer in my house. The APC Backup ES750 cost me $99 Canadian at microbytes.com, and the batteries can be ordered from APC directly, which makes it easy, when they go bad or expire, which is roughly every 3 years. And APC recycles all their batteries, so this is an eco-friendly company and in the long run, an ecological choice to saving money and reducing all of our carbon footprints. If you need more reason, let's do a tiny bit of math. You have 100,000 computers. You buy any of these two examples I suggest, and you save upwards of $50 per computer per year, and the UPS batteries are good for 3 years minimum, and new versions will be available then. The total savings on 100,000 computers in 3 years is $1.5 million. Of course, only corporations will have this many computers, but that's still a lot of money that you can be used to have more employees on the floor, develop new technologies, higher wages, bonuses, etc. Why wouldn't any company or person want to save money? Next week, we'll be talking about protecting your electronic devices and your computer, what hardware to use, convenient ways to apply this to your home and business. If you have any questions, comments, or stories on any topic we talk about, You may find all the necessary contact information or a list of sources, software, hardware suggestions, and a link to our new message board on our website at www.zedaxis.net, as well as a list of important podcasts that you should also listen to. You can also send email regarding our podcasts at tqa@zedaxis.net. This has been a podcast hosted by Steve Smith, Digital Technologies Consultant for Z-Axis Productions. Stay safe and online. This has been Technology Questions Answered. This show was recorded using Audacity, an open source sound recorder and editor. Head over to audacity.sourceforge.net and support Audacity by donating or buying exclusive merchandise. Or head over to our site and view links in the show notes of this episode. This show was recorded October 24th, 2010 and is now available on iTunes and our website at www.zedaxis.net.